Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 12 and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started you will need to open up the standalone contacts application, which is located in the Google folder, right over here. And once it loads up all the contacts and show you whatever you have right here, what you want to do is navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Import from SIM, or Manage SIM card, because we don't have Import from SIM. But this is basically the same thing. And as you can see, there are some contacts. Only one of them is selected, and that is because the device automatically opts into importing contacts to the Google account that is signed in on the device, which already contains all these contacts. But if I change it to, for instance, this device, they should all become selectable or selected, and I can deselect ones that I don't want. From there I can basically click on import, but before I do so I'm just going to mention that here obviously you can change where you're importing your contacts to, and by default it will always opt into a Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, you can choose which one you want to import to, and from there just obviously select import. Then it asks us the stupidest question if we want to remove these contacts from our SIM card. Now the logical answer here is no, we do not. We want to keep them. And the reason you want to do that is because these contacts never get in your way when they're on your SIM card. And when you go into your contacts, once you import them, you actually can see them. Well, let's navigate to the device, there we go. So as you can see, they don't get in our way. We only see the imported contacts, and if you wanted to, we could go into our SIM card, and this will show me all the contacts that are on the SIM card. They don't duplicate each other, they don't get in the way, so it's useless to have them deleted, but you at least always have a backup of your contacts that you can always get no matter what happens with your device. So that's why I recommend keeping your contacts. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.